Alright, what's good everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking a look at the Corsair Ironclaw RGB gaming mouse. Alright, so without further ado, let's unbox it, shall we? So the cord is really nice. It's like that power cord. Oh, I guess you can see it. Very nice. Very nice. So with most things that you get, you obviously get your warranty guide, and you also get the quick start guide. Since I don't need any of those, just throw them off to the side. But yes, this is the mouse. Got the two buttons. Has really nice click. The scroll wheel. Better do the plastic peel. Nice. Has a lot of nice smooth rubber pads. You can control the DPI right here, and it feels really good in the hand. Slides super smooth. So that's the new one, and this is the one I'm going to retire. It's the Corsair Harpoon one. So this one still has the two buttons on the side and then the DPI control button. Alright, so after you plug the mouse in and get all the software loaded up, if you don't have it already, you go over to whatever mouse or keyboard you want to set up. So since I just got the new Ironclaw, they give you a nice big picture. So then actions for different key bindings, which I kind of don't really use. I just leave it how it was defaulted. Then static color, rainbow, and then you can control the speed. So, and then with this, with the rainbow effect, if you wanted to, one key press. So instead of it just strobing normally like how it does, you have to click the button for it to do the strobing, which I think is pretty cool. I mean, I'm probably not going to use, but so, and then it gives you the default, which is what it comes with and how its DPI is set. But then each of these ones are a different profile, which are indicated by the lights on the side right here. So I just keep it on how I like it on mode 1 with my DPI at 3300, and then these are the other ones. But I try to keep the same DPI across all my mouses, so I don't have any conflicting DPI changes. So then now over to performance, angle snapping, profile color indicator, enhanced pointer precision, which, I mean, just going to turn that all the way up. Can't hurt that bad. Then now this one's a new one, surface calibration. I'm not quite sure what it does, but I think you're supposed to keep it in the green. But yeah, so that's that, which is kind of weird, but I'm probably never going to use it. But yeah, that's the software, and I definitely recommend the Corsair Ironclaw. And I will include some video of gameplay on Call of Duty Modern Warfare with the camera pointed at my hand, so you can see how the mouse moves and all that goodness.
Captured C. Down! Endlich! Assist your team at B. We've lost Bravo. Reloading. We're taking B. Hostile down. Friendly. Yeah. Hostile down. We've lost Capturing Bravo. Hard fought. Well earned.